decided to come back and use up some of my paints. I'm going to do another, well, not another, I'm going to do a strainer pour. And this time I'm not going to mix the paints together. I'm just going to put separate colors in, and I'm going to go over an old canvas that I'm not fond of. Get my speaker on, or my microphone. So I already started pouring, so this is very smooth and thin underneath here, so it should be okay. So I'm just going to hold this up, pour some white in here. This is Artist Loft White with floetrol. Start with a good amount of white. And I put some blue, Artist Loft Cobalt Blue. I got a little bit of green that I need to mix, so I need to stir this up. I'm not going to put a lot of green in, just a bit. It's a metallic green. Some purple. I got paint all up my arms. I'll add a little more white. Some more blue. A little bit of green. I really need to get my arms wiped off here. Okay, now some purple. More blue. It's all mixed with floetrol. Some is Artist Loft and some is Deco Art, Americana paints, which I really love. Maybe a tinge of green in there. I'll finish it off. There's not much green left. It's a pretty green. It's metallic. Okay, purple. Make sure it stays up straight. let it drain a bit. Some more blue. No particular order. A little more white maybe. Well, the green's gone, so that's that. I poured some green and blue on this card and just to see what it would look like. I should pour it in here. I don't really need it, but no, don't mix your paints, don't. Purple. I don't want to get crazy now. Stick with the plan. Stick with the plan. Some of this green. I wonder if I should add a little bit of this. Whoa, look at that green. No, it won't match. It's totally different green. It's a really nice green. Phthalo green. Oh, pretty, pretty. I'll use that in another one. I have a bit of light blue here. Maybe I'll put some of that in. This is Deco Art Baby Blue Americana. And purple is, I think it's called Purple Pizzazz Americana. Another pretty color. Well, I don't know how much more to put on here. Some more dark blue. No, maybe a little white. I haven't done a white for a bit. Some dark blue. Cobalt blue. Starting to look pretty nice under there. More purple. Of course, I forgot to put my gloves back on. I really need to get a manicure. Get all this paint. Look, it's on my rings. My old rings. What to do, what to do. Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. It's like a puddle pour through a strainer. Almost done all this purple. Okay, that's that. The blue's done. Oh, I'm so tempted to put some of this green in the middle. Do I or don't I? All right, let's just carry on with the blue. Yeah, I think this purple's done. Oh, I got a lot of washing up to do. Ginger white in the middle. My only color left now is the dark blue and the white, so time for a new cup. And I think that's probably enough paint. All right, so let's see what we got. I'm going to take this off. Oh, it's all dripping through. Okay. Paper towel. Lost my paper towel. Here it is. All right. See how nice that looks? I don't know what happened over there. Oh, well. I'm just going to slowly move it around. I'll move this out of the way. come back this way. I don't want to lose that. That's so pretty there. And come this way. I really learned something tonight. I usually put coconut milk or floetrol and stuff if I want cells. I don't really need to when you got this stuff going on. Well, there goes all that green I was worried about. And the white. Well, I think it still looks pretty. Not crazy about that middle section, but oh boy. That looks cool. That looks cool. Let's see if I can get the air bubbles out of it. You don't get really any more cells because there's no silicone in there. Clean my edges off. Well, it sure is pretty. Anyway, I better let you go. And here, I'll hold it up a little bit so you can see how really pretty that is. Anyways, all right. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll get the dry results on after the video. There'll be some dry results, okay? Thank you.